Hello. This is my home page. But initially, it will give you a login page. If you don't have a user credentials or something, let's just register it. First, let's start registering. User hyphen test. Let me it one. Since I already have it, right? Yeah, there's a validation in the backend. So user at the rate of 123. That's the password. User hyphen test one at the rate of gmail.com. Let's give a valid number 43218. That's good, right? We are able to register success. So now if I come back here and if I log in, user hyphen test one and password is user at the rate of 123. Yeah, this is cool, right? Now we are able to see this chat agent here, correct? We can ask question. Behind the scene, LLM will generate as a SQL and my application will run that SQL and there's a validation and every other stuff. Let's not go there. Let's just stick to this one only. Okay, see here. Suppose if I say total products, how much products I have in my database. Simple. I don't know the SQL. Let's see. Okay. You should give me exact products what I have here. Fine. Let's see in my database how much I have it. Since I already know the query for that. So if I run this, I need to select the database, right? We can't right away do that. Use test. If I say this and if I run my query, can you see? Count is 5. That's cool, right? This is very basic. Now let's extend to this one. Okay. Total revenue per category. Okay. Let's see. By the way, I have a this one, okay, logs here. You can look for SQL log here. Yeah, that log is stored here. Auditing purpose, right? Even this is very important. Okay. Only people with valid license can do this, okay? Yes. Now, if I say total revenue per category, I have three categories: electronics, books, and clothing. Oh, damn, that's quite cool, right? Behind the scene, which query it has run? My LLM has generated this query. Can you see here? This is the query my LLM is giving because schema and all I will be passing in my like in prompt only. I have like configured all the stuff. Let's not go till technical. Let's go here. Let's just touch this. Okay. Now, if I run it manually also, that should give you the same thing. Correct? Damn. We don't need to write this query anything. We even a small like a fellow who don't even know about SQL can also make use of this, right? Even this will give you to like this option also to generate a report, Excel and PDF. Just if you click it, can you see it's asking where to store it? Okay, perfect. Yeah, same, even PDF. If I open my PDF here, oh, this is quite cool, right? Now, let's go to for a NLP, like natural language question, okay? I have this question here, like say, show total revenue by city for delivered orders. Here, right? This is a bit complicated actually. See, I want to know the total revenue by city based on the delivered orders. So if I come here and if I ask that question in a straight way, so total revenue by city for delivered orders. This is quite complicated in SQL. Okay. Oh damn, this is given me so quick, right? See, Bangalore 81,000, Delhi 2,900. Even let's validate it here in database. If I run this, damn, this is quite cool, right? Very interesting. See, this will save a lot of time for CTOs, CEOs, even COO. Like, isn't it? Just see, just type the question and you get the result. That's quite impressive, right? Yes, exactly. That's the only intention I have here. Log out. If I log out, that's fine. Cool, right?